Well, hey you guys, and welcome to my room this time. For this makeup hunt today, I decided not to do a car intro like I usually do. I know, who is she? But that's because it's a very special occasion, and it is that I'm wearing something other than sweatpants or leggings. I wanted to do a little outfit check before we start a little makeup hunt at TJ Maxx today, just because, I don't know. Listen, I don't dress up. I'm not dressed up. I don't like put together outfits very often, but when I do and I love it, I need to like show proof of it. So I wanted to share you guys with this outfit. Minus the slippers, but this is a Free People flowy top. I got it a couple years ago and I love it. I need to get some more colors of it. And then this is a Free People like little bralette that I have like in so many colors. I love these. And then this is a little cover up that I got from TJ Maxx. I want to say last year. I was pregnant when I got it. No. I got it from Amazon. So I'll link that. I'll link whatever I can find. So I got this from Amazon. It's like soft, little cozy popcorn type of, it almost kind of looks like popcorn ceiling, but like wearable and soft, you know? And then the pants I got at Target, they're like high-waisted mom jeans or whatever you call them, and I love the rips in them. And I'll probably put some Vans or something with them. I will not go out in my slippers, but yeah, I just had to like document. Oh yeah, and these are some crystals that I got from my friend Jeanette's mom or friend, I think, made them. And then this one I made in Zion with my daughter, who is 6. She was 4 at the time when we went on a big RV trip, 2019. So it's a little special. She has a matching one. But anyways, that is my OOTD. I haven't done one in a really long time because your girl doesn't dress like as a style very often. But like I said, when I do, I need to show it. Anyways, what are we hunting for today? So today I'm gonna take you just to TJ Maxx. I think that's the only place that we're gonna go. There is, of course, still the butterfly palette that I'm gonna try to find. I think it's it's the turquoise and purple one that I haven't found yet, but it seems that everybody's finding that one at TJ Maxx, but I haven't even been back to TJ Maxx since I went on a makeup hunt with you guys like 2 or 3 weeks ago there. So I haven't had time to go. Today's the day. We're gonna try to find that one. And then I also wanna find, there's a Kapari deodorant detox, which is not necessarily necessary, but I just, listen, I'm almost a year postpartum now, and I just feel like I could use a little refresh in the armpit area. So I'm intrigued. I'm gonna try to find that. What was it? Let me look at my list. I have a list. Okay, so some people have found Disney makeup bags there, like 101 Dalmatians, and I just thought they were so cute. I don't remember what brand it was, Bobble Bar or something like that. Do they make makeup bags? It was some kind of like Disney, like actual licensed brand. And then, but not Disney store, you know. But anyways, so then there's also the Mix Bar set. Listen, I did stop by Marshall's earlier this week because I had to pick up an Ulta order and they have them right next to each other. They had the Mix Bar fragrance set there, but the line was so long and I had to pee so bad. So like, listen, I'm gonna have to just not. So, and I was like holding my baby. I couldn't use the public restroom. It is not gonna work out. So I hightailed it out of there and I figured I'll try to find it this time. The Mix Bar perfume sample set. A lot of people have been finding those. And if not, I know it's at Marshall's. They had a ton. And then also, I think I just want to see what's there. There were a couple other things. Now I don't remember. I'm still looking for the Too Faced Pillow Talk lip balm lip gloss thingy because that's been spotted, but that's been like hard to find spotted. So I will see if I can find it today. So come shopping with me, come on a little makeup hunt. Let's see what's in stores. Let's see if I can find the things that I'm hunting for. Oh, and I also need to get a couple charcuterie boards because my baby girl is turning 1 next week and we're just doing like little family like get together with each side. My family, we don't live in the same area, so just like on her birthday, local family is gonna come over, and then I'm gonna go to my parents that live kind of farther away, and everybody that's local there will do it. So I'll just kind of like redo it, you know, just keep it simple. But I want to do like a woodland theme, so I want to get the wood board so I can do like her smash cake. She can't have eggs, so I have to make it egg free, and then I'm gonna make cute little mushroom cupcake. That's gonna be cute. Let me know if you want to see like some kind of vlog of that. I know I don't show her on my channel, but like, you know, something. Anyways, we got a lot to do today. You guys don't have to do any of that. I have a lot this week to do. But anyways, today is TJ Maxx makeup hunting, which should be super fun. So come along with me. Let's go. Boop. First little stand right here. BH Cosmetics Iggy Azalea stuff. Oh, that's the mirror. That mirror's super cute. Oh, and here's the Doja Cat brush set. And allegedly is part of the downfall of BH Cosmetics. Sorry, Doja. You know, here's a little beauty fridge, and my fridge did break last year, but this one has a mirror on it, which I find odd because my counter's so low. How would this be helpful? I don't know. But Let me tell you how much it is just in case you're interested. 60 bucks. That's kind of pricey. You can find one for a way better deal than that. Okay, palette section has seen better days. It is a Monday, and I'm starting to wonder if I shouldn't come on Mondays. What day should I come to do the makeup? And do they have the palette that I've been looking for? Let me go through and see. I do see another Sagittarius palette that I already got. And of course we're seeing a ton of BH Cosmetics palettes. I've been seeing some of the sweet shops, but like one or two here and there. So that's the orange one for $7.99, and then the 90s and 2000s are $9.99. And there are a ton more of the traveling palettes. This one's Switzerland, that one's $7.99. So if you're interested in any of those, I've already talked about my fave Aspen one already, but I'm not seeing anything else exciting so far. Okay, this is frustrating. I was actually kind of thinking about the orange sorbet, so then I opened up to make sure it was all fine, and it's actually pistachio. What's frustrating is actually I like the pistachio better. Like, that is so freaking pretty, but it's missing its outer carton. It was in the wrong one. So I don't want to get it, but like, that's stunning. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, moving on to like all the lippies and little random things. I found these Bite plumping lip glosses. If this wasn't hot pink, I'd totally be into it. It's $5.99. I really like Bite's lip products. They're really good. All right, here's the bags. Any Disney bags? They're like clear Disney bags. Any? No, no, no. Okay, not the clear ones, but there is this little guy. I don't like this shape personally, but in case you're looking for something like that. Oh, it's actually like a set. I found the other piece right here. This little set of two of them is $19.99. Yeah, $19.99. There's that. And then my daughter is with me, and she just found these mini ones. These are pretty cute too. That one's $14.99. And then $9.99 for the single, but I'm looking for the clear, like Dalmatian character ones. No, it's okay. We're just on the hunt. We're just makeup hunting. I have never seen this one before from Saint Tropez. Whipped marshmallow? What? I'm intrigued, but I do like Loving Tan a little bit better, and I also never use self tanner anymore, but tell me if you've used this before. It is on sale for $16.99. I think this brand is usually like around 30 bucks for a bottle. This is the full size too. Okay, here is the little perfume section. And oh, here's the Mix Bar little discovery set. Let me take a look at these. What is this? This is sold at Target now. And this little set, $7.99. $7.99 is not bad. This comes with tangerine squeeze, glass rose, coconut palm, cloud musk, vanilla bourbon. So I might grab this. But they are like super small. Like, these are like sample sizes that you would get at Sephora. Really, really small. Okay, speaking of Sephora, this brand is sold there. Ellis Brooklyn. This is the Raven Body Milk. This is the Sedum. Is it 30 bucks? This is a candle. These candles are supposed to be super good. Verb. I hate blind buying though. I don't know how any of these smell. More body milk. So if you're interested in any of these, how much are the body milks? $24.99. I don't see any of the perfumes though, but Raven, I mean, hello, I feel like that would be amazing. What is the scent profile on these? I don't know. I gotta look them up though, but just so you know, TJ MAXX, they've been spotted. Ooh. Okay, I'm back to the charcuterie boards. It's like deja vu, sorry, but this time I need to get something. Look at these wood planks. These would be perfect for the little mushroom cupcakes. How much is this? No, $8? I was expecting 20 at least. Okay, I'm getting a couple of these. Okay, look at this. It's a whole stand. $14.99. Dude, I remember when these things were like $50. That's crazy. Sometimes there's little hidden beauty things in the checkout aisle. They have a ton of the kiss nails. And they are like $4.99. Oh, I've gotten these before. I got these for Christmas one year. $4.99. I love these. Super good. Half the price of what you get at Target. That was like the shortest TJ Maxx trip I feel ever. Total bust as far as makeup hunt goes. I gotta be honest. I got some stuff and none of it was makeup. So if you want to see the stuff that I did get, number one is like a little birthday book for the birthday girl. But also a million of those. Wouldn't make probably too many. I got 3, but you guys, this price, if you're into doing charcuterie boards or anything like that, this one right here, $9.99. It's acacia wood, and it's beautiful. What a gorgeous specimen this is. I'm so excited. And And what I like about these is I can reuse them. So I'm using them for the little birthday dinner, but I'm also gonna be able to use them for different things, charcuterie boards and everything like that. $6.99 for this one. They're almost the same size. This one is like a tiny, like a fraction smaller. I don't know if it's like it's a different brand, but I don't know if it's a different type of wood or whatever, but there's those two. And then $14.99 for the actual stand. So I don't know if I'm just gonna use this one and then one of the little wooden ones, and then I just won't use, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I just wanted to have them because there's only a few left. But that was super exciting. Sorry, as far as the beauty department goes, like there's really not that much right now. Lots and lots of BH Cosmetics since they filed for bankruptcy and everything. If you didn't know, Makeup Revolution did purchase them out. Like they bought out their bankruptcy, so I don't know, something's going on with that. I was a little bummed I didn't find that Kapari detox deodorant cream stuff, but I can find it full price, so I really want to. So maybe I'll get that because that's something that I just feel like I need to help me refresh. And yeah, I didn't end up getting the mix bar thing because the more I thought about it, I was like, in that mix set, I know you can intermix them, but really the only two that I like are coconut and sometimes the musk. But I already have so many of those fragrances at home, and it really reminds me of the Huda Beauty Kalili, the brand that she has with her sister. It's kind of like that, which I already have some of those sets and I don't ever use them. So then I was like, you know what, this is kind of a waste. Why am I doing it? It was half price though, so if you're looking for that, now you know it's there. So that's it for this makeup hunt. Nothing, like, it came up empty-handed as far as the beauty department goes, but I'm so glad that I found these boards. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad. So thank you so much for following along. Subscribe before you go if you don't want to miss out on future content. I post 3 times a week. I gotta go. Baby's saying let's go, and I gotta go. See you guys later. Bye.